Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up a virtual machine in VirtualBox and install Windows 10 OS in it. Uh, so this is the same procedure which you should follow even if you are installing the uh, real Windows 10 OS in your real PC. Also, the same procedure can be followed. So basically, in virtual machine, we can try all new stuff. If we are installing any new software or anything, we can just try in virtual machine and experience it. So now we are going to set up a new machine. So I'm giving name. First we should click the plus add button, then we are giving name. Then I will set up the file location where my virtual machine should be placed. Then I have selected it. Then I am selecting the Windows 10, which OS version I am installing. So I am doing it Windows 10 64-bit version. I am selecting. I'm gonna install it. So next. Then I am gonna allocate the RAM size. How many RAM, like how many MB RAM my virtual machine should be. So I'm doing it. Then hard disk space will be dynamically allocated. Selected. Then hard disk image is virtual disk image option. Then the maximum hard disk space which you are setting for the virtual machine. So I am setting around 150 GB space. Maximum the virtual machine storage is 150 GB. So now my new machine is created. Virtual machine is created. Now I am going to system settings and I will change the boot order. Optical disk, I'll click it first. Then in the storage option, I'll go and load my Windows 10 OS disk image file. I'll load it in it. Go to settings. Again checking the boot order. Then storage option, clicking it. There is my Windows 10. If it's not present, means just click that plus button and just place the Windows 10 file wherever it is. Search and place it. Giving next. Just selecting the OS file. Next. It's showing some error. Yeah, sometimes it will come. Just close it and we'll again power on this machine. Maybe disk image. So now we are again power on. Yeah. Okay. So now select Windows 10 setup. version 64. So let the settings be default. When we are clicking next, we should click the option next. Then click install now option. Just choose I don't have a product option. Then Windows 10 Home or Pro, whichever you want to install. I am selecting Windows 10 Pro for myself. Next. I agree. Okay, next. Choose custom settings. Then this is my hard disk 150 GB. Now I'm gonna allocate space. So 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. Statistic calculation. So how much GB you want, you should. I am approximately allocating 50 GB for each drive. Like I'm gonna create 3 drives, C, D, E or something. So for 3 drive, I'm gonna allocate space for it. Follow these steps. So that's it, guys. Now it will automatically load all the files and will restart multiple times. Then Windows 10 OS will be installed, and that's it, guys. Just follow the video. That's it. Thank you, guys. Also, one thing is, while installing OS, just turn off your internet connection. If it's Wi-Fi means just turn off your Wi-Fi, or like Ethernet cable means just take it off the Ethernet cable until the OS is been fully installed. Or else it will ask you for Microsoft account configuration and all. So that's it, guys. Same information.